everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to print multiple photos on one page using your Android phone. So on your Android phone, if we go to the Google selection right here, we can just find Google Photo. Click on Google Photo and then find the photos you want to print. So we can just go over to the photos. It could be under your collection. Let's say it's these two. And then we want to go over to where it says Create. Then we want to create a collage. And then you can see I have these on here. So you can create a collage here, there, anywhere. You can just scroll on through. So if you're trying to print multiple pictures on one page, I don't know, then you can just save it. So it's going to save this collage on here now. And then we can go on over to our printer. So look at your printer and you can see the type of printer it is. So if I just go back here, you can see my printer right here, Epson. So if I zoom in, I can see I have an Epson printer. And I want to go to the Google Play Store right here, and just type in the name of your printer. So mine is Epson, and get the specific app for it. Now your printer app might have some more settings specifically for printing photos on multiple pages or different multiple photos on one page. So I'm going to go to my Epson Smart Panel app, get this for my printer. So if you have HP, get HP app, Brothers, get your Brothers app, etc. This will ensure it will actually detect your printer. So it's searching for the product right now. I already have this on my phone, so it should work. You can see it's connected. Here's the printer, the ink level, and then the printer is on and ready on the top. And I should be good to print. And just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as your printer on your home network. And then we go on over to print photos. And then here's the Google Photos we made. And this one right here. And we can just go to next. Now a lot of times with these printers, it is really annoying because you have to get the correct settings on here. So if you're going to be using 4x6, 8x10 paper, whatever paper size you have on there, you can just click it. But you can still print a smaller picture. So if you want only to print a 3x5 picture, you can select it on here. You just have to hit OK on your printer actually. So it won't print from your phone. Like you can print from your phone, but then you have to go to your printer and select OK. So it actually continues to print. Because you're using some sort of wrong paper size or something like that, it's going to be like, are you sure you want to print this? So you just have to go to your printer and hit OK. So OK, that looks good. And then I can just go to print right now. And it's going to print a 4x6 picture on a 8x10 piece of paper I have in there. So it's just going to say, hey, do you want to do this? Yes. So let's go to print. And it should print this. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.